Hello friends, let us study the examples on random variables. The example is find the constant k such that f of x is equal to k upon 1 plus x square in the range minus infinity less than x less than infinity represents a continuous probability function. Also find probability that x is greater than or equal to 0 and probability that x lies between 0 and 1. Now, this function is given to you. You have to show that it represents a continuous probability function. Can see that it is defined from minus infinity to plus infinity, and hence we take it as a continuous probability distribution function. Already it is mentioned also here. So we'll take the condition that integration from minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. So integration from minus infinity to plus infinity function is k divided by 1 plus x square integrated with respect to x. It should be equal to 1. K constant will keep outside. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square, you know it is tan inverse x. Limits are from minus infinity to plus infinity. It's equal to 1. Now k outside, tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. Tan inverse minus infinity, it is minus pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2. Should be equal to 1. Now pi by 2, it becomes plus pi by 2, which gives pi. Now k becomes therefore 1 by pi. Now we got the value of k, which is 1 by 5. And then this function will represent a continuous probability function. We need to calculate probability that x is greater than or equal to 0. Probability that x is greater than or equal to 0 means it's a continuous function. So we'll take integration from 0 to infinity. X is greater than or equal to 0. All the values for x greater than 0. So it is 0 to infinity f of x dx. Integration from 0 to infinity. Function is k divided by 1 plus x square integrated with respect to x. K is 1 by pi. Keep it outside. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square. It is tan inverse x. Limits are from 0 to infinity. Now 1 by pi is outside. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. Tan inverse 0 is 0. We get the value as 1 by 2. Now one more is asked. Probability that x lies between 0 and 1. So you can see that it is probability that 0 less than x less than 1. If at all it is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, we'll again write it as integration from 0 to 1 only, because probability that x takes a single value in a continuous distribution, it is treated as 0, negligible. Hence, probability that 0 less than x less than 1 will be same as probability that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. For both, we'll be considering integration from 0 to 1 f of x dx. Now function is k divided by 1 plus x square. K value is 1 by pi. We'll keep it outside. Integration from 0 to 1 of 1 upon 1 plus x square, which is tan inverse x. Limits are from 0 to 1. Now, tan inverse 1, it is pi by 4. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Hence, we get the answer as 1 by 4. Let us consider one more example. Find whether f of x is equal to mod x for mod x less than or equal to 1 and 0 otherwise is a probability density function. Function is mod x in the range, again mod x less than or equal to 1. Now mod x less than or equal to 1 means x will be taking the values from minus 1 to plus 1, so that mod of this x will be always less than 1. The function is again mod x. Now mod x cannot be integrated. So again we'll write f of x as minus x in the range minus 1 to 0 and x in the range 0 to 1, and otherwise it is given 0, so we have written 0. Thus we have redefined this function because it is mod x. This is the condition mod x less than or equal to 1 that tells that value of x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Now in this interval minus 1 to 1, we have to define what the function is. It is mod x, but it is not integratable. So what we do is we'll rewrite the function. It will be minus x in the range minus 1 to 0 It is plus x in the range 0 to 1 and 0 for other values. Now integration is integration from minus infinity to plus infinity. F of x dx must be equal to 1. So I'll consider that. Integration from minus infinity to plus infinity, f of x dx we have considered. So we'll split this minus infinity to plus infinity as minus infinity to minus 1 here, then again minus 1 to 0, and then 0 to 1, and then again 1 to infinity. Totally it is defined from minus infinity to minus 1 in one range, again minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, and then 1 to infinity. In the first and the last integrands, the value of the function is 0. Integration of minus x, minus outside, it is x square by 2. Now limits are from minus 1 to 0 here. And in the second integrand, integration of x, again it is x square by 2, but the limits are from 0 to 1. Substitute the limits, simplify, you get 1. Hence we see that this integration from minus infinity to plus infinity of f of x dx is 1. So second condition is satisfied. First condition is all the probabilities should be greater than or equal to 0. Since function is mod x for the interval mod x less than 1 and it is 0 otherwise, the function will be always taking the positive values only. F of x is greater than or equal to 0. F of x means here the probability function there. So it is taking always positive values. One condition is satisfied. Second condition we have seen already. Integration from minus infinity to plus infinity of f of x dx is 1. Both the conditions are satisfied. Hence we say that the given function represents a probability density function.